Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Aisa and I'm really glad you clicked on this video. So as you can see by the title, today I'm bringing you guys another vlog. So I actually have a lot to do today. I was just working this morning, so I didn't really like vlog anything, but I thought like I would bring you along and basically like show you guys what I do throughout the rest of the day. Today is Sunday and I feel like most of my vlogs are on Sundays because that's just, you know, when I have the most time that I actually do stuff. So yeah, basically I'm bringing you guys kind of like on a productive day, I guess. Like I said, I was I was working this morning and now I'm about to start getting ready and I'm going to go and take pictures and stuff. So yeah, I'll bring you guys with me. But yeah, first I need to get ready. I need to do my hair. I'm just going to pop on a wig or something and yeah, we'll go from there.
Got it, it ain't a question. Oh, it ain't no room for guessing. No, I'm more than emotionally invested. Showing you all my imperfections. Oh, if I let you, don't take me for granted. Yeah, if I'm worth more than you could manage, yeah. Oh, get with me, oh, we could be honest. Closer to me, oh, giving me size. That you won't let me fall. Holding me tight, loving me right, giving me life all night. You could be telling me lies, making me cry, missing my time the whole time. So just be in.
Okay, so I'm done putting my wig on, and while it's kind of like laying, while my frontal is laying, I'm gonna go ahead and set up because I am filming a get ready with me. It's just going to be like a quick get ready with me where I do my hair and makeup. I just wanted to get my wig on before, just because I feel like you guys don't necessarily need me to like install it on camera. So yeah, that's basically what I'm about to do. I'm about to set up and utilize this time, and then after I'm done setting up, I'm going to film, get ready. I have a video that should be going up in like 20 minutes because it's about 3:10 now, and I started when I first spoke to you guys, it was like about 2:30. So yeah, basically I'm about to just set up, then make sure once the video goes up, I'm gonna go ahead and like post on Instagram and stuff just to promote it. And then yeah, then I'll go ahead and start my makeup. My makeup shouldn't take me that long, so hopefully like I can finish my makeup and be out by 4:30 latest, because I want it, the sun is really nice outside. So yeah, I'm just trying to like be out by 4:30 latest, and yeah, we'll see how that goes. So I'm gonna set you guys up somewhere so you can see me set up, I guess. Yeah, so let's get to it.
On your ways from way back when, you know that I don't play. Streets not safe, but I never run away, even when I'm away. OT, there's never much love, we go OT. I pray, make it back in one piece. I pray. That's why I need a one day. Got a Hennessy in my hand. One more time before I go. Higher powers taking me home. I need a one day. Got a Hennessy in my head. One more time before I go. It's taking me home.
A few moments later.
So guys, tell me why when I finally decide to sit down and everything is set up to film, my battery from my light goes off. Like, this always happens to me. This is why it takes me so long to film my videos lately. So I really need to get this battery stuff sorted because it's mad annoying. But I'm gonna stop rambling and actually start the video before like it goes off again. So yeah, let me go ahead and start.
Work. You see me, I be work. You see me do me dirt. There's something about that work. When you walk a line. I'm in the cafe, my drive me, I desert you. No time to have you lurking. You make a walk, now you don't like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in the...
Okay, so guys, remember when I said that I was gonna try, you know, being out by like 4:35? Well, it is now 6:07 and I'm just now finishing the video because I don't know, I should have started earlier because I kind of forgot that like both of my batteries, both for my light and for my camera, have been spazzing. So the battery for my camera like literally lasts like what, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, so I can, and then the one for the light too, it's just one of them lasts really long. But because I have two batteries for that one, like it came with two batteries, and because I have two, I never know which one is the one that lasts long. So I charged the wrong one, and of course because it wasn't like charged fully, then it's not gonna last. So basically I've been going back and forth, like having to like stand up, change the batteries, charge them for like 5 minutes, go back. So literally that's what I've been doing for the past few hours and trying to film this video. So yeah, just a little something for you guys to know when I film these videos now. I really need to like stop procrastinating and actually get a new battery, like new batteries in general. I think for my light, I'm going to try finding the cord because it does come with a cord. Well, it doesn't come with it, but like you can plug it. I think that would be better. Like that I can just plug it into my outlet and it's just going to be on the whole time instead of using the battery, because you can use both because it's a portable thing. But yeah, basically what I'm going to do, my laptop is about to die too, so what I'm going to do, I'm gonna go ahead and head out because I have pictures to take. I'm going to take like I'm trying to take 4 outfit pictures today, so hopefully that works out. And then after that I have a few errands to run. So yeah, I'm going to try, hopefully. Last time I went to take pictures, it didn't take me that long. It took me like an hour for 2 outfits, and I took pictures and did TikToks. So hopefully it, like, since I have 4, it doesn't take me more than 2 hours, hopefully, and then we'll be in business. But what I'm going to do right now, actually, I'm going to put my... See, just went out again. Okay, so I didn't really need that light anymore, but yeah, like you saw, I just went out. But as I was saying, I put my camera battery on charge and my other battery, unfortunately I only have one charger to charge like my light batteries, because that's the one that I have two, but I only have one charger. So I'm charging them now because when I come back I need to film 2 more videos. So hopefully like they can charge while I'm gone, and when I come back it can be like quick, hopefully, fingers crossed. But yeah, right now I'm about to prepare a bag that I'm going to bring all my stuff in, just so it's easier for me to like go and take my pictures. So I'll show you guys that right now. So this is the bag that I'm going to be taking with me. It's like this tote bag from Pink, and it's like pretty big, so I'm literally going to put all of my stuff in it just right now. And like I said, I'm doing 4 outfits.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, so I'm finally in the car. It's 7. I'm about to go, and yeah, I got my bag over here and my tripod, so let's get it. Okay, so guys, I finally got to the location. I like this location because it's like secluded, especially on Sundays. There's like literally no one. It's like a parking lot. I found this not long ago. Let me show you. Like, you see there's loads of buildings, and I feel like you can do so many aesthetics here. the sun is like killing me. But yeah, so basically I'm gonna go ahead and take some pictures. And this, I'm actually already wearing the first outfit. I won't be able to like film too much behind of the scenes just because I don't have a second camera. Like, this is the only one that I have that I'm filming on, and I'm filming on my phone because my other camera, first of all, like you guys know, like I've been having problems with the battery, and then on top of that, it's kind of big to vlog on, so I don't vlog on it. So yeah, basically I'm about to go for this outfit. I'm actually going to go on the wall right there and take pictures. If you follow me on Instagram, you've probably already seen pictures from here. Like, literally there's so many different aesthetics at this one place, so that's why I like it. But yeah, without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and go and set up. I might show you guys my first outfit just so you guys can see. So guys, this is outfit number 1. Yeah, I'm about to go set up and go take pictures. I'm just fixing myself up a little bit, and I had to change my shoes, but I am ready now. It's very simple but cute. So yeah, let me go take a picture or set up. So guys, I'm officially done with all the content, so be on the lookout on Instagram. It's currently like 8:45 or something. Yeah, I know I finished kind of later than I was expecting, and that's just because I was shooting for outfits, so that's why. I was gonna go to the store, but because there's a 9:30 curfew here, I think the stores close at 9. So I won't have enough time to actually go because I wanted to get some makeup. But yeah, I don't necessarily need to go today. I just would have loved to go today, like that, like it's out of the way. Because the only things I really need is like eyebrow pencil, because I'm really out. Actually, I need foundation too. I might actually just go do some online shopping, but for now, let me go get back home. Yeah, I just cleaned up my mom's car and just put everything back in my bag. This bag is actually really big, like it fits a lot of things. I have a pair of shoes in here, like I have like 3 bags, because just in case, you know, you want to switch up your outfit or whatever. And like I have like some accessories, just all the outfits and all, it all fit in there, so I'm really happy. But yeah, it's getting cold. Let me drive. I don't have a car tripod, so I'm a drive and get back home, and I'll talk to you guys when I get back home. I might actually extend this vlog just because, yeah, I feel like I didn't do enough during the day like I wanted to, and I know when I get back home I'm probably going to be filming some more. So yeah, we'll see. I'll see you guys when I get back home.
A few moments later.
Okay, so as you can see, I'm back home. I put my robe on because I was kind of cold. It was getting kind of cold outside. I just went to heat up some chicken because I'm so hungry, actually. Like, I didn't really eat that much before. Like I told you guys, I was doing work in the morning, and then after that, like, I just went straight into, well, I had a little snack, and then I went straight into content. So I'm heating up some chicken. I'm gonna eat real quick and then get back. I don't even think that my camera battery charged enough. Like, I'm so annoyed because I have 2 more videos to film, but they should be quick because they're just like literally talk through videos. Wait, are they both talk through? No, one of them is talk through, one is going to be a makeup look, because I got some comments on one of my videos that you guys, some of you would like to see some more makeup looks. I know I haven't done many lately, so I'm gonna incorporate one, and it's going to be like a very nice, like everyday type wear of like makeup look. So yeah, I'm about to go get my food and eat really quickly, and then continue on with content.
A tornado flew around my room before you came. Excuse the mess it made. It usually doesn't rain in Southern California, much like Arizona. My eyes don't shed tears, but boy, they pour when I'm thinking about you. Ooh, no.
Hey guys, so it is actually the next day. I forgot to end the vlog yesterday, but I just ended up like basically you know, filming. I filmed 2 videos. One of them was a makeup look that I was also going to post on Instagram. So yeah, it was a really productive day, and I ended up finishing like really late. Like I think I went to bed at like 12:30 or something. So hence why I forgot to end the vlog. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, definitely comment down below, and you know, let me know if you would like to see more vlogs. And of course, thank you so much for watching and always supporting, and subscribe to join the family and hit the bell so you get notified. But yeah, I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
She be mine on love. She did on love. Say she be mine on love. Say she did on love.